Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to download and install the operating system Windows 10 64-bit without any software. So let's start. First of all, we will open the any browser in your phone. Oh, you are thinking why we are going to use your phone? So I will let you know because it's a very easy process to download the operating system Windows 10 in the phone compared to laptop. So we came on the phone. Now we will open Google. Then we will type Windows 10 ISO download. Then we will search. Here we can see the first link. We will click on the first link, download Windows 10 disk image ISO file Microsoft. So here we can see the some option came. So we will zoom out. Then the option is coming select edition, and here in the down of select edition it's written something about the Windows 10 edition will are valid for both Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro. Means Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro, for the both we have to select edition. So here we will click on the select edition. So we have to select Windows 10, then confirm. In the down, one more option is coming, select the product language. So we have to click on the choose one. So here our language is English, so we can click on the English. So again we have to confirm. Now we can see the final page. The final page is like this: Windows 10 English 32-bit download and 64-bit download. So here we have to click on the 64-bit download. In the below we can see the downloading the files. So just click on the details. So here we can see the Windows 10 21 H1 English 64-bit ISO is in download process. So we will wait until download. After the download we have to copy from phone to laptop. Now we will go to laptop. Now we came on the laptop. So before we start we have to insert the minimum 16 GB pen drive. So here we can see my pen drive is here. So we will go to this PC, and here we can see it's an empty pen drive. If you have any personal data in your pen drive, so you have to go and you have to click the right button, then you have to do format, then start, then OK. Then here we can see format complete, OK and close. So my pen drive is fully empty. So we'll press the window button and type CMD, then hit the enter button. Now we have to type disk part, enter, list disk. Here we can see my pen drive is here, disk 1 online 28 GB. So we have to select disk 1, enter. Now we have to type clean, enter, create partition primary. You have to very careful while typing time. If you will miss the any one letter, so result will not come. Now we have to type select partition 1, enter, active, enter, format, fs equal ntfs quick, enter. In the last we have to type exist, then again we have to type exist. We'll see the our pen drive, so we'll click on the this PC. So here we can see this option will come, so it will prove our bootable is. So now here we can see whatever we did, the result has been came. So now we will do the final process. So we'll go to the our operating system where we keep. So we kept in software file OS. Then here we can see we download Windows 10 21H1 English 64-bit ISO. So we will double click, then we will drag this side, and again we will open the this PC and we'll open the our pen drive, and we will keep left side. Now we have to select all and right click, copy, then bring here and paste. So here time remaining about 11 minutes it will take. So we'll wait until the full copy. Now we can see my all the ISO file has been copied in the pen drive. You can see here USB drive F, or here also you can see. So now we can see here my bootable pen drive has been ready. So now we will eject the pen drive. We will left click on the pen drive, then right click, then go to the eject option. Now we will remove our pen drive and we will insert where we have to install the operating system in that laptop. So we'll go on that laptop. Before we start, first we'll check our operating system is 64-bit or 32-bit. So we'll double click on this PC, then right click on this PC, go to properties. So here we can see our laptop is 64-bit operating system. So we can install the 64-bit operating system. And here I want to keep my personal data, new window D and new volume F, and this is my pen drive, and I want to only local disk C format and reinstall. We will see here, this is the total capacity is 146 GB and free space is 109 GB. So we have to remember this one, and then we will shut down. We will restart, and for the Lenovo the boot menu key is F12. So after restart we have to press F12. Now we have to press the F12. So here in the second option we can see our pen drive. The name of pen drive is SanDisk. So we'll go on the second option and we'll hit enter. It will take some few seconds, then it will come. Now we can see our process has been ready. So here we can change the time and current format. So we can click here and we can choose English India. And press the enter button. Then we have to click next. Then install now. Here we have to click I don't have a product key. Then here which one we want to install we have to select. So I will prefer to install the Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Pro is a good for the student and for the official purpose. So we'll go next. Here we will agree the license term and then we'll go next. And here custom install window only advanced. Then here we can see that option came where we have to install the operating system. We have seen before the install our that disk was 146 GB and it have the free space 109 GB. So we can see here this is the my Windows C. So we'll click here and we'll go next. Then OK. So now the process is getting ready Now finishing up process is going on. Now we have to take our pen drive, eject the pen drive from the laptop. Now it's asking, let's start with region. Is this right? So yes, it's right. We'll click yes. Is this the right keyboard layout? So we have to select English India. Then yes. Then skip. Now select the I don't have internet. Then continue with limited setup. Then we have to enter the name. Whatever we want to give, the name of the PC we can give. I will put admin and then enter. Then password we can keep here, otherwise we can leave also. Go to the next. Then accept. Then not now. Now we'll right click, go to the personalize, then go to the down, click on the high contrast setting, then again go to the down, click on the theme setting, then go to the down and click desktop icon setting. Here we have to click on the computer, then apply, then OK. We reinstall the OS and we can see local disk. Before it was 109 GB free, now 99 GB free, means we reinstall the operating system. So we'll close and we can come here, then right click, then we'll go to the properties, then also we can see here the system type is 64-bit operating system has been installed and the edition is Windows 10 Pro. So I hope you understand how to download and install the operating system. If you like my video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.